Here's how professionals value an aircraft in under 60 seconds without guessing. Step 1. Search the exact make and model. Step 2. Choose the correct year. Step 3. Review the baseline equipment list. VREF already accounts for standard equipment and typical configurations. Anything non-standard, you need to add it. Step 4. Input airframe time and engine time since major overhaul. Step 5. Enter avionics upgrades and mods using the depreciation table, not opinions. Step 6. Adjust for paint and interior. Done. VREF instantly produces retail and wholesale values based on market data used by lenders and insurance companies. That's a professional valuation in under a minute.